Hello everyone. Today I'm bringing you an airdrop that is already pre-listed on the market with a current price of $12. If you can earn even 100 tokens through this airdrop, you could make a profit of $1,200. So, let's get started. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. We regularly bring free airdrops that you can earn from. First, you'll find a link in the description or comment box. Tap on it, and it will open in your Telegram app. After that, tap the Start button. Wait for 5 to 6 seconds, and then you'll see two options: Create New Account and Import Account. If you've already created an account, you can import it. But if you haven't, tap on Create New Account. Next, you'll be given a secret phrase. Copy and save it securely. Whenever you log out, you can use the secret phrase to log back in by tapping Import Account. Then, it will process and your account will be created. After that, you'll see a welcome message. Tap on it and then click Continue. Next, tap on Start Mining. Then, tap on Follow Hot Updates. You'll be redirected to their Telegram channel, so join it. Then return to the Hot wallet and tap Claim Hot. After a bit of processing, you'll receive your bonus, which is 0.01 Hot token. Next, you'll see the Check News option. Tap on it and return to the Hot wallet. Every 2 hours, you can tap Claim Hot to claim more tokens. Below, you'll see 3 tasks. Tap on the first mission, and you'll find several tasks. Complete them to earn Hot tokens. After completing them, go back and you'll see a Boost option where you can boost your mining. To upgrade it to 3 hours, you'll need to pay 0.2 Hot coin. If you don't have enough balance, go back. You'll see 2 more options below, which you can upgrade to increase your mining. Now go back, and you'll find a Friends option. If you invite your friends, you can get up to 20% cashback on whatever your friend earns. Then, let's go to the homepage. You can see what the Hot Wallet homepage looks like. They've also launched another airdrop, which you can participate in, and it will be listed soon. You'll see a banner. Tap on Explore Garfin. Then tap on Join Whitelist. Your wallet will already be connected. Then, follow them on Twitter. Your task will be completed. I tapped on their third task, and my task was completed without having to do anything. After that, tap Verify as Join Whitelist. Then, tap Start. After that, you'll see a Join button. Tap on it and join their channel. Then, tap Verify as Join Whitelist again. If something goes wrong, tap Start again. Now tap on the Launch Telegram app option, then tap Join Whitelist again. Now you can see that I have 300 GRA tokens. If you refer a friend, you'll get 100 GRA tokens per referral. After that, you'll get another task, where you can earn 500 GRA tokens. For this, copy it and paste it into your Telegram settings, under Edit Info. Then open this wallet again, tap Join Whitelist, and scroll down to tap Verify. Wait a bit and your verification will be successful. Now you can see that my verification is successful and I've earned 800 GRA tokens. Once this is listed, I can sell it immediately. So that was today's video. Please subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.